Well, News Channel 11 has been tracking COVID-19 outbreaks at long-term care facilities, and we found the biggest outbreak throughout the state of Virginia is right here in our viewing area. Jeff Keeling spoke with leaders on the high spread.
The town is home to Heritage Hall Nursing Home, where 220 plus people have contracted COVID-19. That's staff and residents. That makes it the largest outbreak of any long-term care facility in the entire state of Virginia over the entire course of the pandemic.
The long-term care outbreaks out here have really been devastating to our elderly population and the workers there. Big Stone Gap, as you mentioned, is one of them and the largest one.
Walk around the downtown and it's easy to find people with connections to 180-bed Heritage Hall. People like Trudy Quiros.
I have a son-in-law that's in Heritage Hall. He's been in there for quite some time.
But several people, including Town Council member Robert Bloomer, said awareness of an outbreak that's caused 33 reported deaths remains low.
There was very little recognition of what was going on until it was full-blown and probably 30 deaths almost.
Lennowisco Health Director Dr. Sue Cantrell says even twice-weekly nursing home testing is no match for a virus that can spread without an infected person showing symptoms.
When 3 and 4 and 5 employees are identified at one time who work in various parts of a long-term care, that results in many other of the residents having been exposed before they were aware that they were infected.
And Bloomer, whose mother is hospitalized with COVID, isn't casting blame on the nursing home.
I'm sure they were doing everything they could, and once it started, it was probably impossible to stop it.
People we spoke with said too few wise Countyans are following public health guidelines.
I was just in Family Dollar. The two people behind me were close to me, no mask on.
You see people go in the store with a gun on their waist to protect you from a robber, but won't wear a mask.
Bloomer has a message for people who haven't changed their behaviors yet.
Even if you don't think it's real or don't think it's going to affect you, you need to protect your community, your neighbors, your friends, your loved ones.
In Big Stone Gap, Virginia, Jeff Keeling, News Channel 11.